everyone, welcome to NJPS online classes. I hope you enjoyed the last video of domestic animals. Today we are going to learn about wild animals. So let's begin and happy learning. First let us understand what are wild animals. Wild animals live in forests. Yes, they live in forests. We don't keep wild animals in our homes. Understood? Wild animals, they live in forests and we don't keep them in our homes. The first wild animal we are going to discuss today is lion. Lion. First let us listen the sound of a lion. How does the lion sound? Children, can you hear it? Yes, the lion roars. The lion roars. And the lion is also known as the king of the jungle, the king of the forest. Next animal is tiger. Tiger. Now let us listen to the sound that tiger makes. Heard it? Yes, the tiger also roars. The tiger is the national animal of our country, that is India. Next animal is a bear. Bear. We love our teddy bear, but this is the actual bear. What is the sound that bear makes? Let us hear again. Yes, the bear growls. The bear growls. Next animal is monkey. Monkey. Let us hear what sound monkey makes. Can you hear it? Yes, the monkey chatters. The sound of monkey is known as chatter. The last animal we are going to discuss today is an elephant. Elephant. So let us hear the sound of an elephant. Can you hear it? The elephant trumpets. The elephant trumpets. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Happy learning.